Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to post an Instagram story directly from your laptop or PC. So let's get started. First, open Instagram on your PC. Once you're there, right-click anywhere on the screen and select Inspect. This will open a panel with a bunch of code. Now look for the Elements section at the top left of this panel. Ensure the icon left of it is enabled. This icon is the Toggle Device toolbar, which switches our view to a mobile device interface. Select any smartphone or tablet from the Dimensions option. It doesn't matter which one you choose. Both iPhone and Android versions of Instagram will work the same. Once you've selected a device, refresh the page. Once the refresh is done, you'll notice a little plus icon next to your story, just like on the mobile app. Click on the plus icon and your File Explorer will open, allowing you to choose a photo to upload to your story. You have a few basic tools to edit your story, but if you're keeping it simple, click Share and wait for it to upload. And there you have it. Your Instagram story is now live from your laptop. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks.